Understanding Drone Flight Plan, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, drone flight plan. This term is often used in aviation and technology contexts, and understanding it can give you insight into both the English language and modern technology. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase is all about. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, drone and flight plan. A drone is a type of unmanned aircraft. That means it doesn't need a human pilot inside. Drones can be controlled remotely or fly autonomously using software. The word flight refers to the act of flying, which in this case is done by the drone. Lastly, a plan is a detailed proposal for doing or achieving something. So, when we talk about a drone flight plan, we're referring to a detailed plan for a drone's flight. A drone flight plan is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures the safety of the drone, other aircraft, and people on the ground. Secondly, it helps in achieving the objectives of the drone's mission, whether it's for photography, inspection, or something else. Lastly, in many places, having a flight plan is a legal requirement for operating drones. A typical drone flight plan includes several key components. 1. Flight objectives, what the drone is supposed to achieve. 2. Route, the path the drone will take. 3. Altitude, how high the drone will fly. 4. Duration, how long the drone will be in the air. 5. Weather considerations, adjustments for wind, rain, etc. 6. Emergency procedures, plans for unexpected situations. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, drone flight plan, and its importance in the world of aviation and technology. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about understanding the context in which they are used. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.